شو الأخبار؟ أنا سامر من يلا عربي واليوم we're going to talk about something really important about the numbers. The numbers in Arabic has too many rules. It's not that hard, it's so easy, but it has rules. You may hear too much that the plural in Arabic is a bit hard. Actually, it's not that hard because in Arabic they use the plural just from the numbers from 3 to 10. Okay, so the first number, which is 1, واحد, the only number comes after noun. يعني for example you say فنجان واحد, مدرسة وحدة, كتاب واحد, قلم واحد, سامر واحد, كاميرا وحدة. هلا, this one, فنجان, which is a cup, فنجان قهوة, for an example, coffee cup. Okay, فنجان واحد, this is masculine. The feminine one, مدرسة, because مدرسة is feminine, has تاء مربوطة, so مدرسة وحدة. So فنجان واحد, مدرسة وحدة. The feminine of واحد is وحدة. You say for example شاب واحد, one guy, بنت وحدة, one girl, right? So this is for the number 1. For the number 2 is, in Arabic they don't say name and something, because there is something called dual, which is مثنى. مثنى, let's write مثنى. So what we do is just we add en in the end to make the مثنى. So if you see here, there is beit, house, بيتين, 2 houses. كتاب, كتابين. So بيتين, كتاب, كتابين. We just add en in the end. جامعة, because جامعة is feminine, right? And the تاء مربوطة always comes in the end, always. So how could we connect it then? How could we conjugate it? en with the تاء مربوطة. The تاء مربوطة becomes as a normal تاء. And you add en. So جامعة, جامعتين. جامعة, جامعتين. طيارة, airplane. طيارتين. I'm gonna to add another word for you, سيارة, which is car. Okay? This is, you're gonna leave it in the comment. What is the مثنى of سيارة? طيب, okay, for the other numbers from 3 to 10, as we said, you use a plural. And so the grammar from 3 to 10 you use plural, and we take off the تاء مربوطة from the numbers, because 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all these numbers has تاء مربوطة in the end. When we add something on the number, you take off the تاء مربوطة. For example, you say ثلاث ولاد, ولد, boy, ولاد, the plural of ولد, boys or kids. ثلاث ولاد, 4 بنات, 4 girls, 5, not خمسة, 5 مدارس, 5 schools, 6 شباب, 6 guys. 7 جامعات, 7 universities. 8 بيوت, 8 homes. 9 دروس, 9 classes. Okay, for the 10 one, as well, you're gonna leave it in the comments. What is the, if you wanted to say 10 something, okay? Leave it in the comment, please. It's as a homework for you. Hala, the numbers, this is the last grammar for the numbers. From 11 until 19, you add and you say 11, and you use singular, of course, because you say the only numbers used plural with is from 3 to 10. So 11, is it from 3 to 10? No, right? So you use singular, and you add for the numbers. Okay? It's not that important, but you do hear when someone speaks, you do hear the 11 ولد, 11 boys, 12 بنت, 12 daughters or 12 girls, 13 سيارة 13 car. 14 قلم. اوكي. 15 مدرسة. 16 جامعة. 17 شجرة. 18 بيت. 19 قلم مثلا. Okay, so it was the grammar of the numbers. It's not that hard. You just need practice more and more and more, and it's gonna come. Until now, I hear most of the time the learners, the students say, for example, 13 مدارس. They use plural with 13. Or they say مثلا 4 مدرسة. They use singular with 4. So this is, be careful. So when you talk with someone, they do understand you. You know, okay, he means يعني for schools, if he said 4 مدرسة, but sounds a bit weird. Okay? So I hope it was useful class for you. And if you have any question, as usually, you leave it in the comment. And of course, I'm gonna be happy to respond all of you. And I will see you next session, guys. Bye.